My friends, welcome in, welcome back to my channel. It's Justin D TV here with you. Look, man, we got Fleetwood Mac, Christine McVie, Songbird. This one is a little something that I found through the request, and it looks interesting. It's a live performance, it looks like, and you know I love live performances because that's when you can really feel the most energy, I feel, that the artist is able to be completely creative in a live setting. So, let's check it out, man. Let's see what we got here.
For you, there'll be no more crying. For you, the sun will be shining, because I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. To you, I'll give the world. To you, I'll never be cold, because I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right.
I love the sounds of this song. It's so soft and so lovely. I mean, it really does sound like a songbird, and it's a love song. You know, when you listen to these words of the love songs, you always just feel when I'm with you, it's just so right. Just kind of makes you feel good on the inside. Makes you get that warm feeling, even when you are sitting inside your apartment alone. Let's keep going, guys.
Oh, it's right. And the songbirds are singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before.
The piano sounds so good. It sounds so relaxing.
And I wish you all the love in the world. Oh, but most of all, I wish it from myself. And the songbirds keep singing like they knew the score.
Guys, the song is so magical. That piano is so magical. This is the kind of song where when you're in the theater or the arena, wherever she's playing, and you've got your girl or you got your guy next to you, you just grab hold of him. You just listen. You just hold him and listen. You don't need to talk. It's that unspoken communication that is so special when these songs are playing, that make moments like this. And that's why these songs are so great. Hearing this like this is just, it really is an experience. It really is an experience. It almost makes me want to cry because it's such an experience. It just, I can imagine the setting. I can imagine the feeling, the feeling of just that warm body of your little lady right here. You're just like, just holding on to her. Just get your arm around her.
From myself, and the songbirds keep singing like they knew the score. And I everybody. Good night. Like never before.
She is so good on that piano. She is so good on that piano. Her and the keys, her fingers on the keys are just one. They're just one with that piano. She was playing that thing like it was just second nature to her. And the soft voice mixed with the... That's why everybody cheered at the end and they felt it. If that's how you leave, that's the last performance, that's how you want to go home. Because you go home on that high note with that high feeling, that good feeling on the inside. That's the kind of night that you need to have. Guys, I like this song. I've not heard it before, but I know what I'm playing next time when I'm in the zone and it's a quiet night and just chilling with the purple light and the couch and playing a little bit of this. This is love right here. Guys, I want to know what you thought about this one in the comments. I want to know what I should be looking at next in the comments. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Keep love alive. I like that. Okay, I'm out of here, guys. I'll see you next time.